Welcome back to the shop. I had restored this vise some years ago. And by restored, I just cleaned it up and bolted it to this 10-pound weight, which I really enjoyed having a mobile vise that's got a little bit of stability in terms of the weight. It's handy. It doesn't replace one that's bolted to the bench. But as you can see, it's started to rust a little bit because the Johnson's paste wax that I had on it has either burned off or gotten blown off with parts cleaner and all that. And at nighttime when it gets cool, this vise stays cool for a little while, then open the garage doors and the warm moist air comes in and condenses on it and forms rust. So I'm just going to get some video of me cleaning this up and we'll get a before and an after. Well, it was about 15 minutes worth of work just to disassemble it, clean it up, wire wheel it, get it back to some presentable condition. And then I'm going to use this 36. I found this to be pretty good. I've also found any sort of silicone lubricant spray to be pretty good. I understand they quit making the Johnson's paste wax, but for something that's as multifaceted as this, I think periodically hitting it with some sort of rust inhibiting is probably the best practice. But again, like anything, it's going to take some maintenance and occasional cleaning, and I think I've gone 3 or 4 years between the last time I really cleaned this thing up and today. So it's not too often, but I figured I'd make a video of it and post it. Thanks for watching.